Yo, what's happening? It's Carl Mallinson, a four-time professional world kickboxing champion and a multi-semi-professional and unlicensed boxing champion. And here we are. Welcome to Malli's Fight School. On this channel, we're breaking down the skills and drills for all levels of the boxing and kickboxing. We're going to show you the fundamentals and easy to follow weights, from head movement to foot drills, from punch combos to kick combos, and put it all together. Here at Malli's Fight School, we combine our efforts with other champions and other coaches in all disciplines. So if you're ready to sharpen your tools, you're ready to grow stronger mentally and physically, follow the Malli Mania movement. Subscribe to Malli's Fight School. Get me.